Thank you for joining in today, and for today's video I have another review. I'm going to be going over one of these Jelly Roll pens, and these are little white pens. I think this one, it came 3 in a pack, and I just want to show, I will zoom in a little bit, but I want to show how well they showed up on this colorful lion here that I did. They're definitely not as thick as like one of those Posca markers. These are for like skinny details. Okay, I zoomed in a little closer there, and hopefully you can see that this is a fine pen. Again, for nice details. There's like a little bit thicker there, and a lighter stroke here, and I tried to go a little bit, it's like 2 or 3 strokes right here to get it a little bit brighter. And on the actual artwork, I wanted to show that the whiskers did show up a little on the light side. So again, these aren't, it's not going to be like a super bright white. Again, there's some faint ones up top. The eyes are a little bit more, you can see a little bit better there with the white in the eyes. And I used a lot of it down here on the chin where the little hairs are in the few different colors. That came up a little bit better. But if anyone was curious, these are very inexpensive. They're only a few dollars, but like I said, if anybody wanted to see how well they performed. I wish they were a little bit brighter, but other than that, they were okay. And if you know of anything that's a little bit brighter than these Jelly Rolls, you can leave a comment down below. Like, I know the Posca markers are really popular, but they're also, they're very like thick. So if you know of anything that's like really skinny like these, but maybe a little bit brighter, leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick review, and be sure to check back for more. I do lots of other reviews and tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe.